Why use slowjobs.com? We understand that you can spend hours and hours searching for the ideal job candidate. Our solution is simple. We connect you with the most qualified local job applicants. Here's how we work for you. Number 1, we advertise locally and on television, reaching job candidates who live right near your business, so you don't waste time filtering through nationwide applicants. Number 2, if you have an issue, give us a call. We have a live representative standing by. No phone trees, no automated answering service. A real human here to serve you in all your employment needs. Number 3, being that we're a small business, no employer will fall through the cracks. We serve employers of all sizes, and we understand that your most valuable assets are your employees. And that's how we work for you. Slowjobs.com. We're your resource for local jobs and local people.